Hi, I'm Steve on behalf of Steve, Leslie and Georgia, New Zealand Sotheby's International Realty, Hutt Valley, and welcome to 458A Stokes Valley Road in Stokes Valley. This is a very special home, very spacious, ideal for large families, intergenerational living or work from home options. Let's go take a look. Four bedrooms, ensuite, media room, work from home option or second lounge, fabulous indoor-outdoor living and this great outdoor entertaining area. If you like what you've seen, give myself, Leslie or Georgia a call. Thanks for watching.